In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Outlook email into a PDF. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can easily save your important emails as PDFs for safekeeping or sharing. First, you'll need to head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to start by clicking on Sign In. Once you're on the Sign In page, enter your login details. Remember to keep your information secure and private, filling in your username and password with care. Once you've provided your credentials, go ahead and click on Next to proceed. Now you've arrived at the Outlook dashboard, which is your main hub. Here, you'll want to navigate over to your inbox. This is where all your received emails are stored, waiting for your attention. Browse through your inbox until you find the email you wish to convert into a PDF. This could be anything from a crucial work email, an important document, or simply a piece of correspondence you'd like to keep on file. Once you've found the email you want, give it a click to open it. This will display the email contents fully. Now, you'll notice three dots located at the right corner of the email. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots. By doing so, you'll reveal a drop-down menu containing several options for you to explore. In this menu, you're going to look for the Print option. It might take a quick scroll to locate it, but once you see it, click on Print. You're almost there. This will open up a new window or dialog box which displays a print preview of your email. Now here's the crucial part where we convert the email into a PDF file. Direct your attention to the Destination drop-down menu in the Print dialog. Click on this menu and select the option that says Save as PDF. This ensures that instead of sending the document to a printer, it saves a digital version of the email onto your device. Once you've selected this, you can hit the Save button, which will prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to store the PDF file. It's a good idea to save it somewhere easily accessible, or you might prefer to title the document in a way that makes it easy to find later. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully converted your Outlook email into a PDF. This method is an excellent way to archive important communications or share them precisely as they appear on screen. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials and tips.